Well, I see the name Schrade, so I guess we know what this is. Alright, let's see what this is. Okay, got a little California warning label. And let's see what's all this. Not sure what that's about. A little plastic bag. Taylor brand, like warranty explanation card, I guess. Big bag of silica, and there it is. Not super big by a long shot. Definitely something you probably actually carry and use because it's not too huge. Ooh, look at that! Look at that! Let's get it out of this plastic. Look at that. And that is interesting. Oh, there it is. It is the Schrade. You can even make that out on the blade there. SCHF38. Look at that. It's got like this textured, almost like Teflon kind of feels coating on it. And it's got, looks like a pretty nice blade just to look at it. I don't know exactly how sharp it's going to be. Feels like it has a 90-degree spine. But some of that Teflon on there, or whatever this coating is, it's a rust-proof type coating. You probably have to scrape that off in order for that to strike a ferro rod. But it's got like a thumb ramp right here. Pretty aggressive too. Like you can really feel that. Like your thumb's not gonna slide. It's locked in there. It's got like these soft kind of rubber handles. It's like a hard rubber though, but softer than plastic. And it's got kind of a fish scale pattern on it. Then it's got like a exposed tang on the back, like a skull crusher, so you could use this to smash things, break open a window, someone's head, or maybe just crush like a walnut or something along those lines. Wow, that's pretty nice. You could use this little false finger choil there to probably strike a ferro rod because it's kind of sharp. Look at that clip point design. It's pretty thick. I wouldn't say it's 1/4 of an inch thick, but it's close to it. It's probably not quite as thick as like the K-bar, like Becker BK2 companion, but it's close. Like this is a thick piece of metal here. And it's got a nice tip on it. For some reason the camera just does not want to focus today. But it's a nice bushcraft knife. I think these were released in 2015. It was part of their Bushcraft series. They had the I think the SCHF36, SCHF37 obviously, and then this is the 38. So I thought I'd pick that up because I like the shape of it. It's like the plastic's the handle's quite hard, but yet it still feels grippy because of being kind of rubberized with those fish scale patterns too. It's full tang. Okay, you can see that overall this knife is 11.5 inches, or just about. And the blade itself is about 6 inches. See that there? From there to there. And the handle itself is about 5 inches. Just over, maybe 5 1/4. Let's do a paper cut test. This is it right out of the box. Haven't done anything to this edge. Let's see what it can do on a sheet of printer paper here. It's not bad. It's definitely paper cutting sharp. But it does seem like this texture is like gripping the paper. It's like it seems like it cuts in real nice, but then this stuff catches it a little bit. But the blade seems fine. There's no nicks. I don't see any rolled over edges or anything. So there's that. It is paper cutting sharp right out of the box. The grippy coating does kind of snag the paper a little bit though. It says SCHF38, like right there on the blade. And then over on this side it says Schrade, which is kind of hard to make out. This definitely is designed to not reflect light at all. It's got jimping down here on the handle, which is a bit odd. You don't usually see that on a knife, but then on the thumb ramp it has jimping also. So with this grip here and then the top grip there, like, you're not going to lose your grip on this blade, but it might be a little uncomfortable if you were like chopping, so you might need a glove because that's a bit aggressive there. But it's full tang. It's a kind of rubberized TPE handles, which Schrade uses a lot. 1095 high carbon steel, and that's why they coated it with this protector, because it will rust. You could use stripper, like paint stripper, to take this off, and then you could like put a forced patina on it with vinegar or mustard or something along those lines, if that's what you wanted to do. I think I kind of like the look of this though. It's kind of different. It's pretty neat. It's got some weight. I wouldn't say it's really forward heavy, because the handle actually feels like it has some weight. Feels like the balance point is probably right about there, like right at where the blade starts and the handle starts, like see, right there. So that's not too shabby. Okay, it comes with this black nylon sheath. It has a big piece of Velcro here for the belt loop. That way you don't have to take your belt off to put this on. It's got a adjustable snap that has Velcro, so you can adjust this to as loose or as tight as you want it to make it really snug on the handle or not. It's got a plastic liner in there inside of the, I don't know if I can get that on the camera, but there is plastic in there so it doesn't puncture through. There's also like a little rivet right there. And then you can put a lanyard in it, which it comes with, so you can tie this around your leg so it doesn't flap around. And then it comes with, let's see what else is in here. It's got this little front pouch pocket, and it has a little fire steel, little ferro rod, which is alright. And it even comes with a little striker, sharp 90-degree edges on that. So that's something good to have. And you get a Schrade diamond filing stone, sharpening stone. So that's alright there too. It's like a field sharpener. Not too bad. I think this pouch, let me see, I'm not certain, because it does have this here. No, it's not removable. I thought maybe that little mini pouch was removable, but it looks like it's sewn on, which is fine. Okay, I'm gonna put this back, and here's the knife. Here's the sharpening stone. Here's the ferro rod with the striker. I mean, you get quite a decent setup for the money. You can pick these up on right now on Amazon or on eBay for around $46 to $48. It's about the average. But this is probably like, I would say like a mid-range quality knife, which isn't too bad. Schrade makes pretty decent quality stuff. It's a lot like K-Bar. Maybe not quite that good, but close to it for substantially less money. So I think you would enjoy this, and I think it would work for you. Because it's so thick, it's probably a fairly like heavy use knife. Like you could probably do a lot of work with it. This is just an unboxing though. I think it's a drop point blade, secondary bevel there, full tang, 2 Allen screws which hold the handle scales on, which are rubberized TPE. You got lower handle jimping, and you got some jimping on the thumb ramp up here on the upper handle, and then you have like a skull crusher pommel on it. Nice thick full tang. You can see you go right through the handle. Kind of a nice chisel tip there. See if I can get that to focus. But not bad at all. This doesn't feel too heavy either. This feels like a knife like you might actually carry, you know, because it's not going to be too exceptionally heavy. Okay, I had to adjust this strap to get it nice and snug on here. And this is really, this Velcro strap with the button on it is what holds this knife in, because when you go like this, it would fall out if it wasn't for this strap. So there's no real retention inside of the sheath other than this strap. But this is a really good strap. It's stitched on there really well. It's got a nice snap on it. Yeah, I'm actually kind of liking this. I like that it isn't too overly huge, you know, like a person could actually carry it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. This is Joe Doomsday, signing out.